Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model very simple teddy bear, very cute and simple teddy bear in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our cute teddy, cute and very simple teddy model in Blender. This is very simple model with basic shapes. Anyone can model this teddy bear. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.